how to install Visual Studio Code, how to install Node.js, and then how to run Node.js code in Visual Studio Code. Let us start. Go to the Google and type Visual Studio Code. And the first link, code.visualstudio.com. Click on this and click on download for Windows. Okay. Once after downloading that, Node.js, you write, node.js.org you take, and click on download node.js LTS. Both of these softwares are already downloaded in my PC. So here I'll just run them. So first I'll take Visual Studio Code setup. So here you say accept. Once check the agreement, that's next. And you can see the location where VS Code will be installed. If you want some other location by using browse, you change it. Otherwise, just say next. And the title of the icon will be Visual Studio Code. The default settings, let it be as it is. Say install. It is getting installed. Once after installing this, we'll install Node.js. Then after that, we'll see how to run Node.js code in Visual Studio Code. So it's almost completing. Then say finish. Now Visual Studio, it is started. So now I'll go for again Chrome and I'll run this node. And here I'll say next, accept, next. If you want, you can change the location where the node.js will be installed. Otherwise, let it be default. Say next, 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 install. Click on S. Yes, it's almost completing. Finished. And now you go to the start and just type node.js. Node is started. And after that, you go to the my computer. First, we'll see directly whether it will work or not. Now what I do, I'll just go to file, open folder, and here in this demo, I'll write one folder name, demo node.js. The name of the folder I write. I have to create the folder. So go to the new folder, type demo node.js. The name I have given like this, you can give anything. Select folder. It is created. Yes, trust the author. So in this, click on this plus sign to create a new file. And I'll write test.js. Test.js, press enter. So here you can see that JS is appeared. And here we'll check console.log, the bracket, welcome to Habit Code, review channel, semicolon. Now Control S for save, and we'll click on this run button. If this run button is not available in your Visual Studio Code, then in the extension here, you have to execute code runner. Okay. So the code runner, you have to execute. So let us check whether it will work. Yes, it is displaying welcome to Habit to Code YouTube channel. Let us try one more line. I'll say again, say VAR equal to subscribe our channel, semicolon, console.log in the bracket variable. Control S for save and run this and see the output. Okay. Wait. Now, for instance, I'll take this directly into the variable. And now Control X. Let us run this. You can see both the lines are displayed here. That means it is working. But sometimes it will not be working. In such case, what do? You go to the My Computer, local disk C, program files, and here Node.js, double click on it. And here you click in the address bar, Control C, copy. And now you go to the start and type environment variable, edit system environment variable. Go to environment variables, path you take, edit you take, and here that node.js, that path should be added. Now it is there. If it is not there, new, you paste this and then okay, and then okay. Then Control S, then close the Visual Studio, and again Visual Studio Code, you reopen it, and after that you try rechecking the output of this program. So it should give, right? So with this, it will give you the result. This is how you can install Visual Studio Code, how to install Node.js, and how to run the Node.js code in Visual Studio software. Okay, Visual Studio Code. Thank you.